every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could...
doon sa diniscuss ni Staff Sir. DJ, pa-post lang ako, pa-flash lang ako ng mga sponsors natin. Of course, our first Valenzuela Motorbike Festival is brought to you by Mayor West Gatchalian, together with former City Councilor Tyson C. And syempre kasama din dyan sila Sir Aaron Cabintes. And of course, we would like to thank Moto, Vespa, Fuel, Brian, Aprilia, Segway, 747 Motor Shop, Racing Product Kailan, Win Oil, Kawasaki, One Way Automotive, Voltec, Auto Detailing and Body Shop, Ducati, Evo, Angkas, Vico A, Norte, Vico Up, Pure Gold, Motor Squad, Ten Act, and Max. So at this point, noorin naman po muna natin ang ating ABP, ang promo video ng ating isa sa mga sponsors, ang Pure Gold. participating persons po natin. Marami na ho kayo mapapanalunan. May mga minor prizes tayo. At the same time, ang major prize po natin mamaya ay isang Vespa at isang keso na motor. Ang ganda lang ang promo version. Ano naman dito yung puso? That's why we are giving away 500 pesos off for only detailing and body shop. Ang service voucher po ito mula sa Wolf Tech. Hindi po ba na? Bulot na po kayo?
Yan yung ano mo? Sis mo to? Ay, paano natin? Paano natin? Ay, shoutout doon sa may sis mo to.
Right?
YC mo to. Mr. Respect yan. YC mo to yan. Mr. Respect.
Okay, first winner natin ng 500 peso voucher from Wolf Tech, Mr. RJ Alejandrino. Mr. RJ Alejandrino. First, Mr. RJ. Next winner natin, seven winners po tayo ng 500 peso voucher from Wolf Tech. Ang makukuha ng mga winners natin ay gift voucher from Wolf Tech and gift items from Parts Pro. Next winner natin is PSSG RC.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
RJ Alejandrino. RJ Alejandrino.
Never really know
Pareho ba tayo? Baka naman ito. Dito kayo sa gitna. Sir Nico, na-picture naman kami. Pa-picture kami ni Sir. Okay po. Thank you. Thank you po, congrats. Next winner natin, Leslie Silaw. Leslie Silaw. Inet. Inet ka na todo picture. Leslie Silaw. Leslie, let's go! Baka abutan tayo ng linggo. Miss Leslie Silaw. Ma'am Leslie, hindi ka nanalo ka! Once again, thank you very much, Parts Pro and Wolf Tech. Once again, our first Valenzuela Motorbike Festival is brought to you by Mayor Wes Gatsalian. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Let's see both of ourselves. Let's see both of ourselves. And that's why when it's
Okay, once again, our first Valenzuela Motorbike Festival is brought to you by Mayor Wes Gatsalian, former City Councilor Tyson C. Also, we would like to thank Mr. Aaron and Chef Louis Cabiltes, Mr. Charlie Ong of Motol, Congressman Bong Suntay of Clean Fuel, and Mr. Dwayne T. Chen of Auto Hub Group.
shake that thing, miss. Gotta shake that thing, miss. I'm gonna shake that thing, dude.
Once again, we would like to thank our sponsors, Eurogold, Tyson Custom, Stand Up, Nice Bike, Parts Pro, Kawasaki, Ducati, Angkas, AAA, Will Oil, Motor Squad, Move It, 747 Motor Shop,